Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, Heartland. Today, we have come up with Heartland Season 16 release date and Episode 1 predictions. Similarly, we will see some changes in the new season. So do watch this video till the end to know everything about Heartland Season 16. Last Sunday, we said goodbye to Heartland Season 15. Saying goodbye to the series that we love the most was a bittersweet moment for most of us. Because the season was great in all aspects, as we had many moments that reminded us of the good old days of Heartland, which we really love. However, the finale episode of the series failed to impress a little bit to most of us, and we couldn't help but not want it to continue longer. And now all the Heartland fans immediately moved on from Season 15 and are already preparing themselves for the upcoming Season 16. We are all aware of the potential of the show and know about its capabilities. That's why we want the series to present us with great contents for the years to come. Season 15 has made us happy in many aspects because this season focused on the Bartlett Fleming clan moving on, starting over everything again, and being happy with the environment. All these storylines were more than meaningful and we all can relate to them in one way or the other. So now we expect Season 16 of the show to follow the same pattern, but with a little bit more plot developments that will witness major changes within the lives of our beloved character. This was what we all missed from Season 15 of Heartland, as everything remained more or less the same from the beginning of the series to the end. Therefore, we want to see some more action and drama with some positive developments. CBC still has not officially confirmed if the series has been renewed for the next edition. However, when it comes to Heartland, we should not worry about whether there will be a new season or not. Because as we all know, Heartland is the longest running television series in Canadian TV history, and there is a reason behind this remarkable success. The show has managed to keep its fan base mostly the same throughout all these years. However, some fans eventually stopped supporting the show after the death of their beloved character Ty Borden and stopped watching the series. But there have been new fans to replace the old ones, and that also especially after Netflix brought the streaming rights of the series, because of which Heartland gained international popularity and support from the fans. Its fan base expanded beyond imagination, and apart from the increasing number of fans, the series has also managed to keep its quality top-notch all the time. The fans never felt as if they were let down by Heartland, which is an exceptional case when it comes to the TV world. The ratings of the show also proves that even after 15 years, the series still continues to be the one that is watched the most among other CBC shows. With an impressive 8.4 rating score on IMDb, Heartland is still a precious Canadian gem. Because of all this, no one is ready to say goodbye to the show yet, and we expect the next chapter of the show to be released in September of 2022. Season 14 has officially wrapped up on March 21, 2021, and 6 months later in November 2021, Season 15 got released. This shows us that it takes about 6 months for Heartland to complete its production process. However, if the series still decides to change its pattern and follow the old way in which it released one season per year, then it might take a little bit longer for the new season to be released. Regardless, we expect to have a trailer for the new season around August 2022. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.